All right, today I'm going to talk to you about how to fix a closet door. As you can see, this closet door has come off of the hinges. You see it's come out of the socket right now. It's supposed to be sliding in and out, or sliding to open it up. It's supposed to slide down the railing right there. I'm going to show you how to put it back in. This is a common problem with closet doors that have a railing. Now, do you see this right here? This is the piece that keeps the closet door in place, and it's supposed to go inside of this railing right here. And whenever it gets off of the railing, sometimes you have railing at the bottom as well too, but on this particular closet, it's only at the top. When it comes out of the railing, it no longer operates as normal. So we're gonna have to put it back in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this right here and I'm going to press it down. It's spring loaded. There's a spring in there to keep it in place. All right, so I'm going to press down on here, and then whoa, all right, it came down. As you can see, this is the spring loaded thing right here. I'm going to put it back in the hole that's up here. All right, press down. All right, press down. All right, it's down in there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it closer here, and this time I'm going to make sure it doesn't pop off. Press it down, wait until it gets even with the railing, let it go, and it's in there. And you can see the closet door is operating as normal. All right, if you have any other problems with this, let me know. Thanks a lot for watching.